Okay guys, welcome back. So these are my two pieces side by side. Each one has the same exact colors, just inverted. So the color shift in this is going to be amazing. I did water it down, you'll see in the video. So I'm probably going to touch up these really dark spots here. I don't know, what do you think? But the color shift in the light is going to be awesome, especially when I get some resin on it. So anyway, just some news. I go in for neck surgery tomorrow. So I'm going to try to put a video out tomorrow as well. If I don't get to it, I'll have it posted as soon as possible. But if you guys don't see me for a while, that's why. So fingers crossed. Unfortunately, this is operation 32 for me. So it's not like I haven't been through this quite a bunch before. Anyway, hope you enjoy the video. Let's do it. Okay guys, so here we go again. This is round 2. The colors are going to be the same as the last Dutch pour that I did, except this time I'm inverting the colors. So it was a purple background in the first Dutch pour, so now it's going to be a teal background, because I'll post a photo right now, but if you look and see the color that pops the most with the purple, it's the bright aqua green. So I went ahead and mixed up a bunch, and that's going to be our background. So I still have the same exact colors that I did the last time. The neon pink and orange. These are actually the leftovers from it. So I also thinned them a little more because I think they were a little bit on the thick side. I did move everything out of the way. I had a Jenn-proof my room. Oh, and if you want to see the colors, the specifics and how I made them, it's all in the first video, which I'll post a link now. So 1, down. This is where I'm going to close it up. I really like that, using it's a Wendy's spoon. It's like almost like a tablespoon. I like it because you can't get too carried away with the colors that you're loading up there. That's the dark purple. I definitely want the magenta there. just thinking about how it, when it's going to blow, how it would blow, you know. So that was the part where, okay, I'm just dragging the white over it. I'll work on that later. That's amazing. Okay. Let's think about this here for a second. Like, that was really cool. I hope I didn't screw myself just by doing that. Come on, I know you're under there. Come out. Now, if I can just stretch this a little bit. I can't move it without losing it. Now we're talking. Looks like a bird or something. Cool. Alright guys, let's get you in for the close-up so you can see everything, and this one's a wrap. I can't wait to get them side by side with each other. Oh my god. I'll probably work on this a little bit, maybe turn it into a bird, or, you know, I keep thinking like cross between a peacock or something, but this is all gonna be color shift right down in here, all throughout it. That's just awesome. I'm gonna work on my consistencies so I can stretch it better and you know, make the cells bigger. I probably have too much paint on here, but I haven't got a full feel for it yet. I don't know if you guys can see that, just all up in here. That is so cool. And this is just paint and water, you guys. So, all right. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. If you haven't already, there's a subscribe button at the bottom of the screen you can click on. And then below the video window, there's a bell. If you ring that, it'll always notify you every time I upload a video. The top left of the screen is all my 2019 pours, and then 2 other videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.